good afternoon. It's 2:20 p.m. and I was just having a conversation with my dad about some law and other stuff, and it was very funny. That's why I'm laughing. So someone will say, "Why is he laughing plenty? Why is he smiling plenty like that?" It's because of a conversation I was having. So yeah, let's get straight into it. I'm about to do a trade breakdown and why I took the trades I've taken. I want only my head to show because I don't know where it up. Bro, I'm not gonna feel stressed, Charlie. Just put this thing on YouTube. I'm thinking, should I, it looks unprofessional to be on YouTube with no top. The African, the African, uh, how do they call themselves? Them trying to make you do things the African way and say do this, do that, do this, do that, do this, do that. I don't know, bro. Mm. Okay, let's get straight into it. So I'm about to break down my trades. I've taken two trades today, one on GBP USD and one on XAU USD. I'll start from XAU USD. Now XAU USD, I on the weekly analysis, I mentioned I think XAU USD is either going to fall from here, take out these lows, and then continue going up, or just go up from here. But I woke up this morning to see that the Sunday open or the Sunday trading session is just like a short time frame. So I don't know. People like to trade all the time, and then you find yourself trading in this time frame. Mostly there's a lot of volatility there because Sunday is like everybody has been waiting to enter the market. So when Sunday opens, you see that everybody will just push themselves into the market and then it will just make the market behave sporadically. Wait, let me check. What is sporadically? Sporadic. Occurring at irregular intervals. I knew the definition of the word, but I wanted to be very, very sure. Yes, moving sporadically. So you can see that. Now you see that the Sunday open push price up. So this is the real value of the Monday open. This is the real value. This is the real value at the open. Sorry. You see. So you can see that Monday's trading day wasn't really an uptrend. It just went out up to take out the liquidity here, went up small. You can see that constant grabbing of liquidity and then a reversal. So it's still reversing, right? You can see a reversing. Now this is going to be our range. I'm going to put here PDL and range. PDL and range. Yes, and here is also already range. Yes, so PDL and range. Now, this is the true value of the Monday open. Now, I place this buy trade here because on the 30 minutes, there was a short consolidation here and then an expansion and then a order block. So I was thinking price would come here, hit here, and then go back up. You understand? But price came here, came down, and then came back down again. So I think it's going to come all the way down to somewhere around here before going up again. And so that means the Monday's trade on XAU USD is now baller. It's a stop loss trade, and I didn't enter this trade. I just did this setup. The only trade I entered to the today was GBP USD because I was already like, okay, if I've missed all this move, then there's no point in chasing a move from here. Can you imagine? Because I'm desperate to trade, I'll just put a trade inside here and then target this high. Doesn't make sense to me. If I'm entering the market, I want to enter for big gains, not not Nkolade areas here. So yeah, no rocking with us again. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Eh, So yeah, I think Monday's trading day is gone, and I'm going to focus on GBP. Sorry, Monday's trading for XAU USD is gone. Now I'm going to focus on GBP USD. Now let's check GBP USD. So this is GBP USD on the weekly analysis. I mentioned GBP USD has already what grabbed this low. You understand? Look at this low. You see, it has already come down for this low, and it has come all the way down here. You get it? Then what do we see? Consolidation. Consolidation. After the consolidation, what happens? An expansion. You understand? Expansion. Consolidation. So this is a swing low, and it created another low here. So this is a short-term low. You understand? It's a short term or long term. Sorry, an intermediate term low. You understand? Because it's a swing low that has two swing lows at both sides of it. You understand? So swing low, and this is the major swing low. You understand? So it's an intermediate term low. So now I taught in the previous sessions, and if you've not watched that video, please go back to watch it. I taught in the previous sessions that ex consolidation, expansion, retracement to the what? Look at where the order block is. It is at or around the 50% level. Understand? So look at where the order block is. It came down, almost touching it, didn't touch it, and then so a quick reaction. You understand? So it's going to continue going up. So I think first take profit should be somewhere here. That's first take profit. Then the rest should be here. So yes, that's all for GBP USD. And the reason why I took this trade was when I went to the lower time frame. So I took it somewhere around here before it went up. You understand? Somewhere around here. I was monitoring the 4 hour time frame, and immediately I saw this particular one close as a bearish candle, and it didn't close below this 50% level. I knew something is going to happen here. You understand? So I waited for this one to go down small and show the quick reaction. So when it started showing the reaction, I was like, no, I'll just enter because it's going to expand higher. Because I woke up and I was feeling sleepy again, and then I didn't want to miss this move because I've already gotten it. You understand? So I put in the trade. I woke up later to see that price had reversed. It came somewhere around here, and I was not I was not how do you say, I was not fearful because what I knew the bias I have, you understand, and I was firmly grounded in it. You get what I'm saying? So I left it to do what it wants to do. Came down here, went up small, and then to continue going up from here on. But if it shows any sign of wanting to go down, then I'm going to change my direction and then exit the trade. For now, it's going up. Let's check the daily time frame so we can see that. Let me remove this. No, I'll not remove it. I'll rather alter it. Yes, so now there's no number blocking anything. So you can see that on the daily time frame, Friday's candle took out Thursday's candle. So there's no liquidity here again. Understand? Already this one has taken out this liquidity and has dipped into the fair value gap, you see. So we already know that since this one has taken this one out, that means price is not going to come all the way down again, you see. But if you were watching like the 15 minutes time frame, you would think something is going to, since they look at the way it was coming down, you think price is going to come all the way down and take you out. You have to have a higher time frame bias, you see. So yeah, that's all with my trade breakdown. Tomorrow there's going to be serious news. From tomorrow to Thursday, serious news is going to hit the market. So be careful if you are trading. That's the only thing I have to say for now. Until we meet again, good luck and good trading. Bye bye.